Take me home. I know you wanna take me home. I know you wanna.
So this is part 2 for this video. I'm gonna show you where I'm at. So I have the downpipe, well, the intercooler downpipe, which is the one that goes on the throttle body. And there are two things we need to do in there. One is put the blow off valve, and the closest to the throttle body the better. So I poke here, I mark here where I'm gonna cut. I'm pretty confident now that I can weld this in there, which I was scared before. And also we have the IAT, intake air temperature, and I got the bong in here. We are going to poke another hole right here on this little mark, and I'm gonna also weld this thing in there, and that's it. Well, the custom pipe is here. I poke a huge hole, so I needed to make a mountain down here. This is a pain, so I suggest you use protective glasses, and there is a C-clip, circlip, and a O-ring. So first what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna put in, there you go. There you go. Screwdriver. Okay, so I put the two front ones. Now this back one is out. So what I'm gonna do is, without this touching the bottom, I'm gonna get a screwdriver, and this screwdriver goes right here, and I'm gonna try. There you go. Done. Woo. All aboard! So the last set of pipes for the intercooler is going to be like this. It's going to come out of here and turn into this here. And there you go. So I need to cut one straight pipe, 5 1/4. Look at that. One coupler down there because it's from 3 to 2 1/2 because of the input, the output of the turbo. And then this one that goes all the way to the bottom. Alright, let's go to the hard work. So it's ready. Let's put in the car. We're going to start by this one, which is going here on the end of this 2 1/2 inch. This 2 1/2 inch, I didn't want to make life complicated right now. I'm going to leave this way, blue and blue, so it's kind of alright. Go down here and meets us down there. There's a coupler between 2 1/2 and 3, and our quick connect. So easy peasy, 3-inch clamp. Now we got the pipe and the quick connect. So I'm gonna push the quick connect. So this is gonna work like this. You go from the back or from the front, whatever. Bolt from one side, push this, and we're gonna start tightening. For this side, I already put the intake pipe coupler, which is from 3 to 4. Here we're gonna align this and connect. This is a GM style intake air temperature sensor. Great. And now the magic. Let me get the other clamp. I'm gonna put it in there, same direction, and we are gonna shove this one in there, and it's going to align. See the two gaskets? They are what guarantee that this thing is not gonna leak. And all done. Look at that. This one, it's one coupler. I'll tell you why in a second. The clearance is perfect. This one, it was between 3 to 2.5, so I didn't have much option apart from using couplers. This one, on the other hand, I could have made one big long pipe, but if I need to change, if I need to take out, it would be hard because it's a long piece. It's easier like this. If I need to take one section, I just take it out and it's good to go. So, and also there is some movement because the car moves, the engine is gonna move, so this is gonna move a little bit. You need something cushion to move. Same concept on the exhaust. You need to have some flex pipe, right? Well, let's just start the car. Vlog is running, just in case. I'm gonna turn the key and let's do it. So we have some life in there. Oh yeah, baby, look at the turbo.
Take me home. I know you